this is my drawing, Krabby. To do this drawing, first pick out your colors. You can go with your favorite colors, or you can use the same colors here. You can use crayons, markers, colored pencils, gel pens, or a simple pen or pencil. Come to think of it, you could even use paint. Use whatever you have or whatever you like. Okay, now for the drawing part. First, spell out the word Krabby. Do you know how to spell that? Try. That's right. Crabby. You got it. Try to use a different color for each letter. If you don't want to, you don't have to. But it might look nicer that way. Still, there are many roads to Rome, or many ways to skin a cat. So, for example, you can go with one color, a monochrome palette. Monochrome is a fancy word for one color. Mono means one and chrome means color. Okay, so like I said before, spell out Krabby. Be sure to make your C nice and big. And remember to draw big and fill out the page. Try to put each letter on a different level, but fairly close together. After you spell out the word Krabby, fill in the rest of the details. Go back to the letter C and make it a palm tree. Draw an inner line and follow the first curve. Then add in the treetop. Now add lines or grooves along the tree trunk. Next, work on turning the bees into crabs. First, draw circles or ovals for eyes. Then, draw a stem from each eye to the body. Next, add in the eyebrows. Draw a squiggly line for the mouth. Make 2 U's at the side of the crab. Those will be the claws or pincers. Every crab needs claws, right? Have you ever heard of a crab with no claws? Complete each pincer by adding in diagonal lines. By the way, in Trinidad, we call the bigger claw a gundy. Now add the legs, 3 on either side. Repeat this whole process with the other bee. Now add in some dots next to the last 5 letters. And add an inner line for the R and A. Next, you can add a finishing touch to the tree. Make some dots at the bottom to represent sand. Maybe the tree and the crabs are on the beach. Finally, draw in a sun wherever you have space. First, draw an outer circle and then an inner one. Then, add rays of light around the bigger circle. To make sure they are evenly spaced, first draw one at the top and one at the bottom. Then draw one on either side. Then add 4 more in the spaces in between. Next, add 8 more in the spaces. And voila! Crabby! Voila is a French word that means there it is, or there you have it. It's a loan word that we use quite often in English. I must say that drawing Crabby doesn't make me crabby at all. As a matter of fact, it makes me very happy. Get it? Happy, happy. Never mind. That might have been a little too high for you. Hey, don't go getting all crabby now. Anyways, that's how you draw Crabby. If you enjoyed this video, thank you for hitting the like button. And if you would like to see more like it and get notifications when they appear on my channel, please subscribe. Until next time.